Hey guys, I bought this power washer from Amazon. I'm gonna open it and see what we have inside and try it out. Alright, so I open the box. We have the manual, some screws. This is it right here. This is it right here. Comes with a canister also. The wand with the nozzle tips. And this is the handle. The power washer. It comes with a hose, but I don't like this hose. It's not like the soft hose like the one that the Sunjo comes with. This is another part. Comes with a screwdriver also. This is it right here. I thought it was bigger, but it's actually smaller than the Sunjo. I have a Sunjo one, but it's leaking like somewhere here, and I don't have time to open it, so I'll try this one out because this one has more PSI than the Sunjo. So I'll try it out and let you know, but it looks smaller than the Sunjo, and to have so many PSI, so I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, so this handle goes on top here and screws in from the back. With the screws and it came with and you can use this small Phillips screwdriver. Here and here. Alright, so this other part goes here on top here like this. And then you put the screws in here. Alright, so you can put the tip here, the nozzle tip here for the wand, and just stick them in here. This piece here just slides in here to hold the wand, and the other part, this goes here to put the hose on it, and this hose snaps in here. You just got to press here. It only goes on one way, so this side is for the front of it, and you connect your garden hose on the back here. And this here, the tip, the wand piece, you just push it in and twist it to get that on. And this piece also slides in. That's the front of it. So I'm gonna test this out now. It comes with a canister, as I mentioned, and this canister goes here. Just push this in here and twist it so you can hold it here like this. And this here, the other hose, of the end of the hose, you just press this to on position, and then you just push it in. This is not the screw type, this is the snap in type. And to take it out, you just press it like this to take it out. Alright guys, so I have it connected here to the garden hose in the back. You just gotta screw this on. Just gotta open this hose, and I have it outside. I'm gonna power wash the siding and see if it has a lot of power. The only thing I don't like is the hose is not long enough, like the Sunjo. This is the Sunjo I have. It's leaking from here, so I'm gonna try to fix it. And the power cable is longer also on the Sunjo, and this is the hose. The hose is like stronger and better. It's the screw type, and this one is smaller compared to the Sanjo. Thought it was bigger, but it's not. The wands look stronger than this one here. The only thing with this new power washer, it has a quick disconnect instead of the screw type. So I'll try to see if it has power on it, enough PSI. Alright guys, so it has some power to it, but not that much as the Sancho. And goes up at least 20 feet probably. As you can see there. That's the 0 degrees nozzle I'm using. It's not that bad. Yeah. Alright, so it's not that bad. This one, you can use water from a bucket, I think, from a pool. It doesn't require the suction. It can draw water from any container or something filled with water. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you like it, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. Also, you can refer to the quick start guide, how to set it up. Everything is in the manual. Follow the user manual and the guide for the installation.